How to solve x power x is equal to 10 power of x plus 100. Find the value of x. So we have x power x is equal to 10 power of x plus 100 can be written as 10 power x times 10 power of 100. Now we divided by 10 power x in both sides. So divided by 10 power x divided by 10 power x. Now this 10 power x, this 10 power x will be cancelled. Now x same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this rule, we can write here x over 10, then bracket common power x is equal to 10 power of 100. Now we divided by power of 10 in both sides. So divided by power of 10 divided by power of 10. Now x over 10 base and power is same. So let x over 10 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 10 power of 100 divided by 10, that means it will be 10. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here y will be equal to 10. But remember that x over 10 is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be x over 10 then is equal to 10. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by 10 in both sides. So multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So this 10 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to 10 multiplied by 10, that means it will be 100. So 100, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. How to solve 4 power y is equal to 8. Find the value of y. So 4 power y is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of y is equal to 8 is same as 2 power 3. Now you can write here 2 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y, then is equal to 2 power of 3. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so it will be 2y is equal to 3. Now we need the value of y, so we divided by 2 in both sides, so divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now y will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of y, so this is our final answer.